Hello, my name is Elite and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will explain the word deteriorate, its meaning, definition and the example. Deteriorate. The definition of deteriorate is become progressively worse. The synonyms of deteriorate are worsen, degrade, crumble, diminish. Now let me show the example of deteriorate word in sentences are. Before you start to deteriorate and your body gives out on you, you allow the property to deteriorate and therefore the value of it drops. There are fears that the situation might deteriorate into full-scale war. It was a marriage made in heaven that seemed to deteriorate to hell in a hurry. Please like, share, subscribe and support my channel. That's all for this video. See you in next video.